Here we are with our new video in minutes learning. Let's get to know some interesting facts about Japan. Welcome to Minutes Learning. Let's learn something in few minutes. There are more seniors than kids. A pretty sad fact about Japan because it's actually a big problem and there is a lack of childbirth. The people don't have time or money to have a family in today's Japanese society. And this has led to the situation where there are more seniors than children. And did you know that they actually sell more adult diapers than kids' diapers? I don't know about you, but to me, that's one of the more bizarre facts about Japan. The Japanese islands of Okinawa have one of the world's longest lifespans. And currently, the oldest humans in the world are two Japanese people at 117 and 116 years old. To slurp up the noodles is considered polite. If you go to a noodles restaurant in Japan, which you should don't be afraid to slurp up the noodles. On the contrary, this is considered polite. According to Japanese customary, it's polite to slurp up the noodles since it shows the cook that you appreciate the food at the same time. It enhances the flavors. Japan consists of 6,852 islands. You might know that Japan is an island nation, but did you know that there are more than 6,800 islands in Japan? The four biggest islands are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, which together makes up about 97% of the total land area. And don't forget about the paradise of islands of Okinawa with its beautiful beaches and tropical climate. There are cafes where you can pay to cuddle, but there is nothing sexual about it. The reason that cafes exist is because a lot of inhabitants are single and loneliness is a big problem in Japan due to much work. That's why there is a demand of cuddling and intimacy, and at these cafes you can come and get a hug or just lie down in someone's lap or spend time together with another human being. Yet another one of those interesting and bizarre facts about it. This is not something weird at all there. With that said, not every Japanese man or woman visit cuddle cafes. It's still minority we're talking about. Fruit is one of the best gifts. Although fruit in general is getting cheaper to buy in Japan, the tradition from the past lives on. Back in the days, it was really expensive to buy fruits because only a handful of fruits grow naturally in Japan. It's still expensive compared to many other countries, and it's still regarded as a great gift when meeting someone special. More than 1,500 earthquakes a year. The number will vary from year to year, but in general, there will be more than 1,500 earthquakes in Japan. Luckily, most of them are smaller shakes, but each year there are bigger earthquakes as well that reaches more than 8 on the Richter scale. Many Japanese eat ready-made breakfast or dinner from a supermarket. Family Mart, 7-Eleven and Lawson are the big chains running convenience stores in Japan. All of them is selling ready-made foods that can be heated in the store. You can also buy noodles and prepare them with hot water in the store or buy ready-made sushi rolls, sandwiches and other kinds of meals. To eat breakfast or lunch or dinner at a supermarket, it is not considered weird. Fact is that most people don't have time to cook a full meal at home before they go to work, and that's why it is a convenient to buy a hot or cold coffee in the morning along with a sandwich or onigiri. Has one of the world's lowest crime rates. Japan is one of the safest countries in the world. So if you worry about crime, you should probably look into moving here. The most common crimes here include stealing a bicycle or umbrellas left over outside. At the metro and trains, you can see locals who take a nap while having their phones in their hand or clearly visible. It's also not uncommon to see people walking around with their backpacks and bags open. Another thing, people don't even lock their homes all the time or their bicycles. That's how safe it is in Japan. Most vending machines in the world. One of the things you will notice when traveling to Japan is the huge amount of vending machines. They are literally everywhere around every corner, and it's almost like they are part of the modern culture of Japanese. But also a good convenient way for the companies to sell beverages and make money without paying staffs. In the big cities, you can find both hot and cold coffee in the vending machines along with various other types of drinks including water on a bottle. A lot of restaurants have started to implement vending machines as well to let people order food. There are also plenty of vending machines selling snacks and food directly in the cities. In Japan, you bow instead of shaking hands. For international guests and business persons, you will probably shake hands because Japanese people always want to be polite and welcome their guests with their own culture. But if you want to show the same politeness and cultural awareness, you should bow instead of shaking hands. According to traditional, the lower your bow, the more respect you show towards the other person. Bowing is also something you do a lot in Japan.